Are you looking for the best small air fryers for RVs that actually fit your tiny kitchen? If you're living the RV life, you already know counter space is sacred. But what they don't tell you when shopping for a small air fryer is that most compact models still won't fit your limited outlets, can't handle your family's meals, or sound like a jet engine at 6 a.m. Here's what real RVers wish they knew before buying.
Product number 1. Cosori Turbo Blaze 6QT. The Cosori Turbo Blaze 6QT caught my eye because it packs serious power into a relatively compact frame. At just under $90, it's priced right in the mid-range, and with over 20,000 sold recently, clearly a lot of people think it's worth it. If you want big results without taking up half your counter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. RVs need appliances that multitask, and the Turbo Blaze delivers with 9 cooking functions, from proofing dough to reheating last night's pizza. The 6-quart square basket fits a whole chicken or 2 full backs of fries, which is perfect if you've got a couple of hungry campers. Plus, it runs quietly at less than 53 decibels, so you won't wake your neighbors or your sleeping partner when making midnight snacks. The PFAS-free ceramic coating means no weird chemicals leaching into your food, and cleanup is easy since the basket and tray are dishwasher safe. Now, some people complained about the size. It's not tiny. At nearly 15 inches deep, it might not slide into every RV cabinet or fit under low shelves. Here's the thing though, if you've got even a little dedicated counter space, the trade-off in capacity and performance is totally worth it. This isn't for ultra minimalist setups, but for most RVers cooking real meals, it hits the sweet spot. This is perfect for you if you cook for 2 to 4 people regularly and want one appliance that replaces your oven, toaster, and deep fryer. Skip product number 2, Chefman 10L Multifunctional Oven. Now, if the Cosori size still feels too bulky, the Chefman 10L Multifunctional Oven takes a completely different approach. It's less air fryer and more mini convection oven on steroids. Priced at just under $80, it's a steal for what it does. And with 7,000 plus sold, it's clearly resonating with travelers who need versatility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. In an RV, every inch counts, but so does meal variety. This thing doesn't just air fry. It rotisserie roasts chicken, dehydrates jerky, bakes casseroles, and even proofs bread. The 10-liter capacity means you can cook a full meal for a family of 4 in one go, and the large window with interior light lets you check progress without opening the door and losing heat. Plus, it skips preheating, so you save time and energy, both precious in an RV setup. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. The 17 presets can feel overwhelming at first, and the touchscreen isn't always responsive with greasy fingers. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the presets actually simplify cooking. And yes, it's bigger than a standard air fryer, but for RVers who cook often, that extra space is a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you want one appliance that replaces your oven, dehydrator, and rotisserie. Skip this one if you only need basic air frying or have very tight space.
Product number 3, Ninja AF101 4QT. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for solo travelers or couples, the Ninja AF101. At just under $90 and 6,000 plus sold, it's a trusted name in compact cooking, and Ninja's reputation for reliability stands strong. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At only 4 quarts, it's small enough to stash in a cabinet or under a counter, yet still fits 2 pounds of fries. Perfect for 2 people. The 4-in-1 functions cover air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, which covers 90% of RV meal needs. The ceramic coated basket is dishwasher safe, and the 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range means you can gently dehydrate fruit or crisp up wings fast. Plus, it uses 75% less oil than deep frying, so you're eating healthier without sacrificing crunch. Now, some people complained about uneven cooking if you overcrowd the basket, which is fair since it's smaller. Here's the thing though, that's true of every air fryer. Just cook in batches and you'll get perfect results every time. Also, it doesn't have a window, so you'll need to peek to check doneness.
Product number 4, Bella 4 Cute Slim Oat Milk. Now, if the Ninja's lack of window bothered you, the Bella 4 Cute Slim in oat milk might be your new favorite. At just $50 and 5,000 plus sold, it's the most budget-friendly on this list, and the slim design is a game changer for tight RV kitchens. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's 50% slimmer than older models, so it slips into narrow spaces other air fryers can't. The 4-liter, or about 4.2 quarts capacity, still holds 3.3 pounds of food, enough for 2 people, and the Evergood ceramic coating is free of PFAS and PFOA, so you're not breathing in toxins while cooking. The 6 presets cover the basics, and the digital controls are simple to use, even with gloves on. Now, some people complained about the plastic exterior feeling a bit flimsy compared to metal models. Here's the thing though, for $50, you're getting serious functionality and a tiny package. It's not built like a tank, but it's built smart, and that's what matters in an RV. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, live solo or as a couple, and need something that disappears into your layout. Skip this one if you cook large meals or want heavy-duty construction. At $50,
Product number 5, Bella 6QT Slim Oat Milk. Finally, if the Bella 4QT felt too small but you still love that slim design, the Bella 6QT Slim is the upgrade you've been waiting for. At $60 and 4,000 plus sold, it gives you more capacity without sacrificing the space-saving profile that makes Bella stand out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It holds 5 pounds of food, enough for a family of 3 or 4, while still being 50% slimmer than traditional 6-quart models. That means you get full-sized cooking power and a footprint that fits most RV counters. The same Evergood ceramic coating ensures easy cleanup, and the 6 presets handle everything from crisping fries to dehydrating apple chips. Plus, the matte oat milk finish looks clean and modern, not like a rental appliance. Now, some people complained about the basket being a tight fit for larger cuts of meat. Here's the thing though, it's still bigger than most compact models, and if you plan your meals, it handles family cooking just fine. This is perfect for you if you want maximum capacity and minimum space and hate scrubbing pans. Skip this one if you're strictly solo or need advanced functions like rotisserie. At $60, it's the best value for growing RV families.
So which one's right for you? The Cosori Turbo Blaze if you want power and quiet operation. The Chefman if you need an all-in-one oven. The Ninja AF101 for compact reliability. The Bella 4 Cute for tight spaces and tight budgets. And the Bella 6 Cute if you want big capacity without the bulk. No matter your setup, there's an air fryer here that'll make RV cooking easier and tastier.